not kick our things. Say, sorry, my kitchen. Lily. I think, hey. Lily, where are you going today?
I'm going to my school.
Yeah? What are you going to do at school?
I'm going to choose some work.
You're going to choose some work?
And I'm going to go play my friends.
Oh.
Outside.
Outside at the gazebo? Yeah? Who's your favorite friend at school? Who? Madeline? Yeah?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Uma.
Miss Uma.
Miss Deborah.
Just Deborah? Who's your other teacher?
No.
Miss Leanne?
No.
No.
Miss Laney.
Miss Laney?
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh, too loud, Lily, too loud. Lily, look at me. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Joe, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
He can do it. Okay, let him do it. Bye-bye, that's right. Joe, can you wave bye-bye? Joe, bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Come on, Joe. Not today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's like I'm busy, Mom.